Hi DIYers, I'm Marina from the DIY team, and today we're going to be drawing an animal that's wise and wonderful. Any guesses what animal this might be? It's got two big round eyes and big wings. That's right, it's an owl. Let's draw one together.
Okay, so let's start drawing our owl by drawing two circles in the middle of our page like this. If you find it hard to draw a circle, you can always trace around something. You could use a coin for these, for example. Then we're going to draw a smaller circle in both of these. And then an even smaller circle. Like that. In between these two circles, we're going to draw a triangle. Now, let's draw the head. So we're going to go from where the triangle is to the right hand side, and we're going to follow around where we drew the eye up a little shape, triangular shape like this. Follow along, slightly arched, and do another little triangle shape and follow it back down and round. Do the same shape you just did and lead it back up to the beak, like so. Now we've got our owl's head. I'm just going to draw two little indents there for its ears. Now let's move on to the owl's body. So we're going to draw almost like a big circle shape, like that. And I'm going to go here and draw a round shape and bring it into the edge there. I'm going to do exactly the same shape on the other side, like that, to create the owl's wings. And last but not least, we're going to draw our owl's feet. Three little pegs like this. So we're going to go down, out, one little peg, two little peg, three little peg, and bring it back up. There we go. We've got our owl. Now let's colour our owl in. There we go, there's our owl.
What type of owl did you draw? Did yours have big round eyes? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more drawing videos. You can also head to DIY.org to access fun creative tools, watch courses on loads of different subjects, and share your creations with a like-minded community of kids. Thanks for watching, see you next time.